his printer. $380. Oh yeah, the thing just bounced off my hat. That bullet just freaking literally bounced off my hat.
I thought it was the gun too.
You know, a good thing to help with shoulder pain. Yeah, so we're saying we don't really like this kind of gun just because it has a lot of power and it's so little. It's really hard to hold on to like that. 380.
Sorry. So if it blows up, it's on you.
Dun dun dun.
It's not loaded. Oh, the chamber.
The fucking safety.
You jump?
I'm like fucking prepared for it and shit.
What did you do?
I did.
Push it down.
Ow.
Did you hear that?
Because it bounced out the ground.
There ain't more. Fun little gun though.
Heck, I'm in the printer though.
The second one was high. First one was low. Or the last one.
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Ah,
You got it?
Yeah.
I missed.
the corner. Oh yeah.
Holy.
Got it the second time.
No, you didn't. You didn't even hit it.
I did too.
No, you didn't.
I did too.
Cam would have went flying. This one doesn't count. That one was awesome.
The ground right here. That's crazy. I just stepped right there and pretty much went sinking. It's crazy. You know?
Throw one.
I did it.